So in this problem here, they want us to find the value of x that would make this ordered pair actually true. So we can find that value of x by simply replacing this value of y into this inequality. So I have 2x minus 4 has to be greater than this y value of 2. Now let's solve it like an equation, adding 4 to both sides, canceling out my 4's here, bringing the 2x down, so I have 2x has to be greater than 6. Now divide by 2, and I have that the value of x has to be greater than 3. So the value that I substitute in here has to be a value greater than 3. Well, what could that be? That could be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's infinite options, but I just picked the value that's right next to 3, which is 4, and x equals 4 is a solution to this inequality. If you plug in x equals 4 here, you got 2 times 4, which is 8, minus 4 is greater than 2. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 is greater than 2, so we know that this is solved accurately. And there you have it.